Music mogul Sean Diddy Combs was acquitted of the most serious federal charges, racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking, by a New York jury on July 2, 2025, but was found guilty on 2 counts of transporting individuals across state lines for prostitution. The high-profile case stemmed from accusations by former girlfriend Cassie Ventura and another woman known as Jane, both of whom testified that Combs orchestrated and participated in drug-fueled sexual encounters involving paid escorts, known as freak-offs, across cities including New York, Miami, and Los Angeles. The charges carry a combined maximum sentence of 20 years in prison. Despite his partial acquittal, the trial exposed deeply troubling details about Combs's private life, including explicit videos, testimony about physical abuse, and evidence of coercion. Prosecutors introduced flight records, hotel invoices, and credit card statements to support their case, arguing Combs transported women and male escorts across state lines with clear intent to engage in prostitution. Combs's legal team countered that, while unconventional, the relationships were consensual and lacked the elements required to prove trafficking or organized criminal activity. The jury appeared to agree on that point, declining to convict on the most severe charges. Legal experts noted that proving racketeering required evidence of a sustained criminal enterprise, while sex trafficking hinged on proving a lack of consent, an issue blurred by years of complex and emotionally fraught relationships. Still, the 2 convictions under the Mann Act are felonies that could lead to significant prison time. Following the verdict, Combs bowed his head, then turned to the gallery and clapped, prompting cheers from supporters. His defense attorneys celebrated the outcome, calling it a victory against the powerful Southern District of New York, which rarely loses high-profile cases. Defense lawyer Mark Agnifilo told the judge that Combs had effectively been given his life back by the jury and urged his release while awaiting sentencing. The judge is expected to rule soon on whether Combs will remain in custody. Ventura's attorney, Douglas Wigder, said that while the verdict fell short of what they hoped, they were grateful the jury held Combs accountable for some of his actions. Wigder strongly rejected the idea that Ventura was a winner despite her $30 million civil settlement, emphasizing the emotional and physical toll of her decade-long relationship with Combs. Prosecutors remain firm in their intent to seek incarceration, citing ongoing criminal conduct even after Combs knew he was under investigation. Meanwhile, public opinion remains divided, with critics of the verdict fearing it sends the wrong message about accountability for powerful men in the entertainment industry. Though acquitted on the most serious charges, Combs now faces life as a convicted felon. The trial may not have delivered complete justice for the accusers, but it has placed a long-protected figure under intense legal and public scrutiny and sparked a wider conversation about power, consent, and abuse within celebrity culture.